How do I verify my debit card for Apple Pay?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to guide you on how to verify your debit card for Apple Pay. This will allow you to make quick, secure transactions using your Apple devices. Remember, safety is paramount, so verification is an essential step to ensure it's really you adding the card.
What do you need beforehand?
To start with, make sure you have an eligible device, the latest version of iOS, iPadOS, or watchOS, an Apple ID signed in to iCloud, a debit card from a participating bank or card issuer.
How to add your debit card to Apple Pay?
First, you'll need to add your debit card to Apple Pay. Here's how to do it. On your iPhone, 1. Open the Wallet app. 2. Tap the plus sign. 3. Follow the steps to add a new card. If you're asked to add the card that you use with your Apple ID, just enter its security code. On your iPad, 1. Go to Settings, Wallet and Apple Pay. 2. Tap Add Card. 3. Follow the steps to add a new card. On your Apple Watch, 1. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. 2. Tap the My Watch tab, then Wallet and Apple Pay. 3. Tap Add Card, then follow the steps to add a new card.
How to verify your debit card?
Once you have added your card, your bank or card issuer will verify your information and decide whether you can add your card to Apple Pay. They might need more information to verify your card. If that is the case, 1. Tap the eye next to the card in the Wallet app. 2. You'll see what information is needed, or which app to download. Your bank or card issuer will tell you what to do next. Once everything is done, go back to Wallet and Apple Pay and tap your card. After your bank or issuer verifies your card, tap Next. Then, start using Apple Pay. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully added and verified your debit card on Apple Pay. It's a simple, secure, and efficient way to manage transactions. Remember, if you have any trouble during the process, don't hesitate to contact your bank or card issuer for assistance. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!